Introduction to Turn-by-Turn Navigation.
Turn-by-turn navigation has changed how we travel. Modern apps provide step-by-step directions as we drive or walk, adapting instantly to our movements. But how do these apps know where to guide us, or what route is best? Let's explore the algorithms and data sources that power this essential technology.
Digital maps the foundation.
Digital maps form the core of navigation apps. These detailed geographic databases include street layouts, one-way restrictions, speed limits, traffic signals, and even construction zones. Companies such as Google, Apple, and OpenStreetMap constantly update this data using satellite imagery, GPS traces, and user feedback to ensure accuracy and up-to-date information.
Route planning algorithms.
To chart your journey, apps use powerful routing algorithms such as Dijkstra's or A-Star. These algorithms find the shortest or fastest path by analyzing map data, road types, and live conditions. They consider factors like distance, estimated travel time, and road closures, ensuring the route adapts to real-world situations as you move.
Real-time traffic and data sources.
Live traffic data is crucial for accurate navigation. Apps gather real-time information from users' phones, traffic sensors, and government agencies. This allows them to detect jams, accidents, or roadwork and recalibrate your route instantly, helping you avoid delays and reach your destination efficiently.
Delivering step-by-step guidance.
With the route calculated, navigation apps use your phone's GPS to track your location. They deliver clear, timely instructions, like turn right in 200 meters, anticipating turns and rerouting if you miss one or change plans. Voice guidance and simple visuals keep the experience safe and hands-free, whether you're driving, cycling, or walking.
Continuous improvement and future trends.
Turn-by-turn navigation continues to evolve. Machine learning refines routing based on travel habits, while crowdsourcing improves map accuracy. New features like lane-level guidance and augmented reality directions provide even more precise assistance. As mapping data and technology advance, navigation apps will become even smarter and more reliable.